Hi, my name is Bianca. Welcome to my channel if you are new here, and if you are returning, then welcome back. So today I filmed this very quick, well, it was quick for me because it was only an hour and a half, kind of thuggish Cholita look. So yeah, I absolutely love how it came out, and if you are interested in how I achieved it, then please keep watching. Okay, so to begin this tutorial, I'm starting off with foundation, and I'm taking the Candid Revlon foundation along with the Matte and Poreless from Maybelline, and I'm taking the shade 260 in the Revlon and 220 in Maybelline, and I'm going to go ahead and place that all over my face using a Wet n Wild sponge. Next, I'm taking the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Light Peach, and I'm placing that underneath my eyes. And I'm really going to brighten this area since we are doing a gangster clown. I want to be very bright underneath the eyes. I'm also placing this on my nose, in between my brows, and my chin as well, just to make sure those areas are nice and bright. Next, I'm setting my entire face with the Too Faced Peach Perfect Setting Powder. I absolutely love this powder. It makes everything look very flawless and beautiful. Okay, so this is the look that I'm going for. So I'm obviously showing you a picture of Chisspy. If you don't know her, she's an amazing YouTuber here, and I got inspiration from her, so following one of her looks. Next, moving on to bronzer and contour, I'm taking the Sugar Bronzer and contouring my cheekbones, my nose, and my forehead. And then I'll be taking the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and further bronzing my face. Okay, and moving on to brows, I'm taking the e.l.f. Cosmetics Brow Pencil in the shade Neutral Brown, and I'm going to go ahead and fill in my brows and leaving them kind of bushy and natural. Okay, so I'm taking the Lottie London, it's a star pen, and I'm placing that above my brows. Here you're seeing I kind of messed up, and I put on foundation over, basically wiped it off, redid the foundation, decided I want to make it brighter above my eyebrows, so I took this big NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk, and I went ahead and put that underneath the stars and then blended that out with a brush. Next, I'm taking the Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics palette, and I'm taking the lightest shade, and I'm making that really bright and shimmery above the brows. Then I'm going to go ahead and fix my brows because I kind of messed them up in that process of cleaning everything up. And then I'm taking the NYX Cosmetics. This is a liquid liner, and I'm going to go ahead and start drawing little triangles above my brows. Okay, and then next I'm jumping back into that palette and taking a mixture of brown shades, and I'm going to start doing a pretty smoky eye. So just a normal smoky eye that you would do, starting off with the transition color and building from there. And then going back into that palette and taking some more red brown shades and placing that underneath my lash line and really smoking this out. Then I start taking a mixture of dark brown shades and placing that on the outer corners of my eyes and kind of winging it out and blending everything out. And then next I'm taking a big blending brush, making sure everything is seamless. And then I'm going to take a little bit more of a dense brush and start placing a black on the outer corners and blending that out as well. And then to continue on with that picture from Chisspy, I am taking the black shade again and connecting everything and bringing that along the bridge of my nose. And then I decided to also make everything else bright. I took more of that lightest shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette and started placing it underneath my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, in between my brows, and on my chin, just to really make sure everything's nice and bright. And then I'm going to take an eyeliner pencil and that same black shade and drawing two lines in the middle of my eyes going downwards. And then I'm going to use that same Lottie London pen with the star and place it on the bottom of the lines. And of course I need a little drink break. And I'm just taking that same NYX Cosmetics liquid liner and darkening everything up and filling in the star and just making sure that everything is nice and blended. And then I'm going back into that Jaclyn Hill palette and a reddish brown shade and kind of start smoking everything out. I kind of wanted this look to be a little grunge and messy. Honestly, I really didn't have that much time to get ready, so I kind of just wanted to go for a little bit more of a messy look as opposed to perfect because I really did not have the time. Next, I'm taking a kohl liner. This is MAC Cosmetics in the shade, I believe it's Coffee. And I'm just tight lining with this and of course doing the upper lash line as well. And then I decided to start doing the clown. So I decided to take a white jumbo pencil because I thought it would be easier instead of starting with the black just to outline everything. And you just kind of want to follow the picture and that's the best way I can describe it. You just kind of go off base what the picture is, starting from the temple where you would contour and then bringing it down right where your cheekbone is. I decided to take that same pencil brush and start going with a light brown shade, and then you'll see me go with a dark brown shade and then black and then kind of blend everything out. So to make it kind of look, again, smoky and kind of blended. next I'm taking the same MAC Cosmetics liner and I'm making a little dot on my nose for the clown nose part. And then I will further blend out a little bit using a blender brush. And then again, taking a liner pencil and some black eyeshadow and carving out my chin area. And then going to blend again with a little blending brush. And moving on to lashes, these are the Ardell's 251, I believe, placing those closest to my lash line. And then for my lips, I took that same MAC Cosmetics pencil and I lined them and then filled it in with this matte liquid lipstick. I forget the shade name, but it'll be listed below, and it's a red shade. And then I kind of wanted to make it a little creepy, so I put little lines to make my mouth kind of creepy and elongated a little bit. And I used a pencil brush with that. Okay, this is a finished look. I absolutely love how it came out. I did it super quick. I probably did this look in an hour and a half. I'm like not even kidding you. So it kind of is a little grungy, a little messy, but I really don't mind that. Yeah, anyways, please let me know what you thought of this look. And I hope you enjoyed it and learned something, and thank you so much for watching. And please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!